Guys, today we are making white sauce pasta. For that I have to marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 250 grams of chicken. You can also use 500 grams of chicken if you want, if you're doubling the size. This is 250 grams chicken. This is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is 1 teaspoon red chilli flake, 1 teaspoon pepper, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use that all in the chicken for its marination. I'm going to use all of that. Now I'll be just cooking the chicken. So this is the pasta I will be using for making the white sauce pasta. I will be seeing the method of the pasta is mentioned over here, the boiling instructions. I'm going to follow this and I will prepare the pasta. It's spiral pasta. You can use any pasta you want, but it has to be pasta, or it can be, fettuccine pasta. It's a white sauce pasta. ठीक है, ये white sauce pasta है. So let me tell you what I will be using to make the white sauce. I have to use 1 tablespoon of oil. I have to use 2 tablespoons of butter. I have taken 1 cup mushroom. Okay, I have taken these button mushrooms. I have taken 2.5 cups of milk. I have taken 1 cup cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon pepper, and half teaspoon white pepper, and half cup of cheese. So let's get started in making the white sauce. So guys, I have also added the garlic and I'm going to fry it for 2 minutes. And then I will add the cream in. I'm going to add, after I stir it for 2 minutes, I'll add the cream. I have already simmered the milk a bit. After I put the cream, I put the milk. Now I'm going to add this and I'm going to mix this. I have added, see if the milk is boiling after 1-2 minutes. I'm going to just add in the cheese. I have added, the cheese has melted. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. I have closed the stove. I'm going to add the chicken and the pasta. Guys, I have added also some parsley in it, and now I'm going to just mix in this